What's in the box? Alright guys, we got a new episode here. We got something new. Again, my first time doing. Figured I'd share this with you. What do we got here? These are the new Space Trading Cards. Galactic Edition. These just came out from Cardsmiths. I've had a couple orders in. I will tell you the mega boxes are taking a little bit longer than these boxes. So I have some boxes coming as well. I'm not sure when those will be here, but just did this order and these just arrived, I believe, yesterday. So it's going to be hard for me not to open all of these right away, especially because this is a new series. So I just wanted to show you guys what to expect. Again, these from Cardsmiths. We look right here. If it doesn't, we got to look for Crypto Redemption in there. And look out for series, what is it? Currency 5 preview cards. So those are going to be coming as well. So I don't want to take too much of your time, but let's get into it. Why not, right? We got to at least open a couple of them today. Too excited to wait, so hope you guys don't mind. I am just gonna go to town on these cards. All right. Again, like I said, these boxes are bigger than the normal Cardsmiths, at least from last year. It doesn't open the same way as the other ones either, so it's gonna be different. They seal these up pretty well. This is the right way to go with it. Whoa, that's sticky. Sticky. Alright. There we go. Just a separated little insert cardboard. No big deal. We got 2 packs, the same as normal Cardsmiths. Got 3 blank cards. These feel a little bit different than last time. And we got 2 packs to go here. So, again, I'm not going to rip these open. I'm going to cut them because I don't want to bend any cards. Make sure you don't cut your cards open. And let's see, for the first time preview, first ones here of what we got. Here's space stuff. So, here's our first card. We got a quark. Number 47, inside an atom are protons and neutrons, and inside those are quarks and other. Okay, I'm not going to read all of these to you. That's going to take way too long, but that's a quark. Quarks are actually really cool. Yeah, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, right? All right, card number 2. That's a cool one. I saw a preview of that one online or something. This is an exoplanet. Very nice. Number 42. Is this one really 40, 47, and 42? Okay. 42, 47. Ooh, we got a shiny already. That's pretty cool. I don't know if this ring is good or bad for doing this, but this is definitely a foil. Not sure which one yet. Comet number 76. That's really beautiful. Okay, this is definitely a shiny one. And again, there's a few different. They're gonna have crystal sparkles. Yeah, no. Holofoils. We got a couple different new things supposedly here. We got Constellation Refractor, Solar System Refractor, and Deep Space subset cards, as well as the normal Parallel Rainbow and Crystal Sparkle Holofoil, as well as serial numbered we're looking for. So this one does not look like a Crystal Parallel or a Rainbow Holofoil. So that's going to be one of the new ones. You have to figure out which one that is, but that's pretty neat. Actually, that might be rainbow. Now I see the rainbow more with the light here. I wonder if it's a rainbow holofoil, but anyway, we're going to move on. That's very cool. All right, who we got here? Hey, I think I know who this is. It is Isaac Newton. Number 69, Isaac Newton. Very cool. That one's got a cool edge. Space. It says space around it on the edge, so that one's different. That edge, first one like that. Very cool. And then we got this guy. I do not know who Carl says is. Okay. And that's your first 5 right there. Okay, first 5, we got that one. Well, let's go for the second pack in the first box. And we got Karma, as always, in the background, chewing on her bone, in case you hear all that. All right. What do we got here? Is that That's Neptune, number 65. What we got here? Got Uranus at 53. Can't really see very well up there. Hey, there's another guy. Archimedes, number 73. Very nice. We all know this guy, right? That looks like a rainbow holofoil. That's very nice. That's gonna be Albert Einstein. Sure is. Number 6. And we got this chick. Wilhelmina Fleming, is that correct? Cool, number 27. Alright. There's the first 10 cards. First pack gone right there. Alright, well I can't just stop there, can I? I mean, we're only at 6 minutes. Let's grab another pack. We want to see what else is in here. Again, I got one rainbow holofoil Einstein. I do not think that this one's rainbow holofoil. It's got rainbow, but I want to say that's a new kind, because it definitely doesn't look like just rainbow. But I could be wrong. So, and again with this space around the outside border, I definitely think that's something as well. Got a new pack. I got 2 packs, 3 blank cards, same thing. Let's open our first pack. Alrighty, we're gonna have a lot of people, looks. So, is that? No, that's Robert Goddard, number 43. Nice, yes. This is gonna have me laughing at a lot of these, by the way. So, if you guys know my background, again, this whole space concept and things, I have a fun time with. But we're doing this anyway. We want to see what's here. All right. This is a very cool. Looks like a rainbow holofoil as well. Who is she? Lies Meitner? Again, I've never heard of her either. I am probably pronouncing her name wrong. 48. But very cool card. I got this one. It's just like a black and white. Kind of cool. Seems like an old picture. Who's this guy? Paul and Derek. 24. Okay. And another one of these guys. This guy. Carl. Got another Carl. 2 Carls in those 2 packs. Alright, we can't stop there. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna do at least this one. But man, I'm gonna have a couple of videos. Again, I got some more coming, so it'll for sure be one more video. Depending on how many I decide to rip apart right now. Oh, wow, these are really sticky. Oh, man. Okay. Alright. Hi, Karma. You wanna help unbox these? All the people out there? Cards in there. What do we got here? It's the Big Bang. We got it on a card. The Big Bang. Yeah, the supposed Big Bang that everything just got created from nothing, right? Yeah, sure. Okay. Next one. That looks just like an asteroid. Yes, that is an asteroid. Asteroid number 28. Very nice. Yeah, we're not going to have any big asteroids come hit Earth. I shouldn't get into that, but you guys are all safe. We're protected. Look at this card. That is a Gemstone Refractor. Green. It looks like an emerald Gemstone Refractor to me. That should be numbered, by the way. 9. That's number 14 out of 99 with a gamma ray burst. Again, in a green emerald Gemstone Refractor. You can tell that curve on it a little bit. When you're holding into the pack, these ones always have a little bit of a curve because of how they're made. But that is a beautiful emerald gemstone refractor. with the gamma ray burst. Awesome. Number 14 and 99. So that's very cool. Very cool card. I'm glad to get it numbered pretty quickly right there. That's awesome. That's the kind of thing we're looking for. We like that stuff. Here's another pretty good, looks like a rainbow holo foil. Who this guy? Richard Feynman. Feynman? You know, I'm just gonna keep saying how I feel. But Feynman, yeah, that sounds right. Yeah, he's a physicist. All right, Richard. Ooh, what do I got here? That's it's quantum physics. That's why it's just cool CGI, which is gonna be what everything is here. Yeah. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Oh, I have 2 packs here. Did I do it again? Not open the second one or the first? I do this. I get too excited and I just want to open everything. All right, so again, that's awesome. We got it numbered. We got an interesting background here. We got some rainbow holo foils. Again, that one's a little bit different, but let's go ahead and open another pack. I didn't even have an energy drink or anything this morning. Why do I have so much energy? I don't know. Kind of excited. That's how life goes. All right, we got this guy. Max Planck. Really? Did he... He's the one that we learned where the Planck comes from? Is that what that comes from? That's pretty cool. 70. All right. Very good. Hey, we know this guy. And again, go ahead and look into this sort of thing. This is, yeah, Stephen Hawking. Number 60. That's a whole interesting story. If you get into interesting things, I'm not going to go there right now. That's an interesting card. This is definitely... Ooh. Yeah, that's a new one. That's a new... Really cool sparkle in there. That doesn't look like a normal crystal sparkle. So I think that's a new different one. That's beautiful. Number 38, Quantum Mechanics. Yep, very shiny. Very cool card. It's like a crystal sparkle, but it looks a little different. Man, alright. Very cool. Very cool, very cool. Ooh, there's the second one with that border. That little shiny border. That's definitely like this one right here. We got the SpaceX border. We're going to have to figure out which one that is. Karma, of course, you're going to step on my cards. Of course, I know you like to do this. Please move away. Thank you. Alright, that one's nice. That's number 7 for Mars. Very nice. And then we got another Uranus. Normal right here. Alright, how many boxes is that so far? That's 3 boxes. 3 out of the 6 that I have today. Should I do one more for now? I don't know. Alright, let's just start opening. Let's just open it. Why is this so exciting? I don't know. Why do I do this? I'm not sure. But I like to share it with other people. Just to see if you're interested in getting these. I'm doing it again. Open a new box when I got a pack here still. Man, I'm just too excited. Too excited. Yeah, I know, Karma. I'm too excited. Alright. Let's open these up. What is this? Is this going to be in there? I don't know what that is. Observatory in Puerto Rico. 33. Interesting. Never have seen that before. Again, gonna be learning new things too. Nothing wrong with that. We got this guy again. Paul. We'll put Paul on Paul. We got another one of these. Kind of like a sparkle. Oh, sparks. I keep saying Spain. Now I can't speak. Sparkle instead of Sparko. Little cool holofoil there. Very nice. Fleming 27. Very nice. Ooh, and then another one with a very cool border. Shiny little border. Andromeda, number 41. Very cool. And is that going to be the Hubble? Nope, that's just satellites. Yeah, duh, it's not the Hubble. It's a fake satellite. Fake! Yeah. Yep, okay. Alright, that's 3 for right now. No, that's 4, isn't it? Nope, I didn't open the 4th one. 3. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Make 2 for this? Yeah, maybe I'm gonna stop right there, do 3 and 3 to make another video. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna come back because I got 3 boxes left. But yeah, with all these, again, we got a numbered gemstone refractor, emerald right there, and we got some beautiful hollow foils. But this is what you can first expect from these Space Galactic Edition cards from Cardsmiths. So just wanted to share this with you guys. Hope you enjoyed. That's what's there. I will see you guys on the next one, and thank you for joining. Take care.